Hi friends, hopefully you all are doing great. So today I'm sharing this easy simple lentil recipe. It's very easy recipe. So for the lentil recipe I have soaked, these are the red lentils. So we are making the lentil recipe with these red lentils today. So let's go straight into the video. Alright guys, so first thing first, we will add oil in our pan. I'm using olive oil, just trying to make it a little bit healthy. Adding fresh onion, and this is chopped fresh onion. And the lentils what we are making, these are 1 pound of lentils. So here we will saute our onions at least for 5 to 6 minutes. So the onions get sauteed. So as you guys can see, the onions are sauteed. We will add the fresh tomatoes. This is 1 whole fresh tomato chopped. We will add this right here. So here we will wait at least 5 minutes, and in the meantime we will be adding the dry spice in there. So in the dry spice, the first thing I'm adding some coriander powder, this is white pepper powder, add the garlic powder, and these are half tablespoon each. Add some paprika. Adding paprika will give a nice smoky flavor to it. So our lentil, the DAL, will have a smoky touch to it. Adding some salt, half tablespoon salt. So now friends, we will roast this onion, tomato and the dry spice at least for 5 minutes. Oh wow, it smells yummy though. Okay, so it's been like 2-3 minutes, and I'm sure the masala, the onion, tomato and the spice is ready. Now just add your soaked red lentils in here. Guys, you have to put your lentils in water at least 2 hours prior to cooking. It helps a lot in the cooking process. I mean, our lentils, they will get softer very quickly, very easily. So here we will just stir this up, and we will add some water in there. So and that's enough. Give it a stir, and here you can check the salt and the pepper just by tasting this soup. It's a kind of a homemade broth for the lentils. I might need to add some salt in there. So here, adding a salt, we will cover it with the lid and let it cook at least for 15 to 20 minutes. So I will see you guys after 20 minutes. Alright friends, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's check on our lentils. It has been cooking on a medium to slow flame, and yep, they look all pretty much done. So this is how we're gonna check it. Yep, they are all done and soft. So here guys, add some tomato sauce to it. This is optional. If you want to skip that, you can skip that, but it gives nice texture to our lentils. As you guys can see, it gives nice texture to it. So it kind of make it brothy, soupy. Alright, so for the final touches, we will add some cilantro in there. After adding the cilantro, let it simmer for next 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes your perfect lentil recipe is ready. Okay, so it has been simmering for 5 minutes. Let's dish this out. The yumminess, the soupiness, and it has a wonderful aroma. So as you guys saw how easy, simple this lentil recipe is. It's delicious, I am 100% sure, and you guys can eat this lentil recipe with tacos or just with the spoon, or you can eat this recipe with white rice or bread. For me, I'm enjoying this recipe with some tacos, and it's super hot though right now. It has the sweetness in there and the freshness. Very great recipe guys. Do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye now. Wow, you gotta try this recipe. Very easy, simple to make. It will hardly take 20 minutes of your time, but the deliciousness will stay on your dinner table forever. The cilantro and the onion and the tomato, all the fresh vegetables, you can taste those in your lentils. Paprika, coriander powder. Yum.